Come to a fascinating journey through the breathtaking waterfalls of Odisha. Known for its rich natural beauty, Odisha is home to some of the most spectacular waterfalls in India. In this video, we'll explore 50 interesting facts and location, from the highest cascade to hidden gems nestled in lush forest. Whether you're a nature lover, a traveler, or simply curious about Odisha's wonder, get ready to discover the story, geography, and unique features of these majestic falls. You know that the highest waterfall in Odisha is Behipani. Towering above the rest, Behipani is a true marvel of nature. Its impressive height and powerful flow make it a must-see for anyone visiting the state. This waterfall is not just a scenic spot, but also a symbol of Odisha's natural grandeur, drawing visitors from all over the country. In the following scenes, we'll learn more about its location, feature, and why it stands out among the many waterfalls of Odisha. Hipani Waterfall is located in the Mayabhand district, a region celebrated for its lush greenery and wildlife. This district is a gateway to many of Odisha's natural wonder, and Behipani is one of its crown jewels. The waterfall's remote setting adds to its charm, making the journey to reach it an adventure in itself. As we continue, you'll see how Mayabhand's geography contributes to the formation of such magnificent waterfall. Hipani Waterfall is nestled within the famous Similipal National Park. This protected area is not only a haven for wildlife, but also home to some of Odisha's most stunning landscapes. The park's dense forest and diverse ecosystem provide the perfect backdrop to the waterfall, making it a favorite spot for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. Similipal's unique environment helps sustain the flow and beauty of Behipani throughout the. Moving on, let's talk about Duduma Waterfall, another iconic site in Odisha. This waterfall is formed by the Matkand River, which carves its way through the rocky terrain to create dramatic plunge. Duduma is not only a natural wonder, but also plays a crucial role in the region's hydroelectric power generation. Its powerful waters and scenic surroundings make it a popular destination for both tourists and locals. Duduma Waterfall is located in the Koraput district, a region known for its rolling hills and tribal culture. Koraput's unique landscape provides the perfect setting for waterfalls like Duduma, which cascade down steep cliffs surrounded by dense forest. The district's natural beauty and cultural richness make it a fascinating destination for explorers. Andadha Waterfall, another gem of Odisha, is situated in the Sandaga district. This waterfall is renowned for its sheer drop and the mist that rises from its base, creating a magical atmosphere. Sandaga's rugged terrain and abundant rainfall contribute to the formation of such spectacular waterfall, making it a hotspot for nature lovers. Beautiful Kandadha Waterfall is formed by the Korapani Nala, a stream that winds its way through the forests of Sandaga. The stream's journey over rocky ledges creates the stunning cascade that visitors admire today. The interplay between water and rock here is a perfect example of nature's artistry. Joranda Waterfall is another highlight of Mayabhand district. Surrounded by dense forests and wildlife, Joranda offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Its location within a protected area ensures that the natural environment remains pristine, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection. Randa Waterfall is formed by the Do River, which flows gracefully through the region before plunging down the cliffs. The river's journey adds to the scenic charm of the area, and its clear waters are a lifeline for the surrounding ecosystem. The connection between the river and the waterfall highlights the importance of water bodies in shaping Odisha's landscape. Duduma Waterfall is uniquely situated on the border of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. This strategic location makes it accessible from both states, attracting visitors from a wide region. The border setting also adds to the cultural diversity of the area, as people from different backgrounds come together to enjoy the waterfall's beauty. Duduma Waterfall is often called the Niagara of Odisha due to its impressive size and powerful flow. The comparison to the world-famous Niagara Falls highlights Duduma's grandeur and its significance as a natural landmark. Visitors are often awestruck by the sheer force and beauty of the water as it plunges down the cliff. Anaghagara Waterfall is located in the Kionjha district, a region known for its rolling hills and mineral resources. The waterfall is a popular picnic spot, offering a refreshing escape into nature. Kionjha's unique geography and climate make it an ideal location for waterfalls like Sanaghagara. Adaghagara Waterfall is situated near the town of Kionjha, making it easily accessible for visitors. Its close proximity to urban areas allows more people to experience its beauty without venturing too far into the wilderness. The waterfall's convenient location makes it a favorite weekend getaway for locals. Devkand Waterfall is found in the Mayabhand district, further adding to the region's reputation as a waterfall hotspot. The area's abundant rainfall and forest cover create the perfect conditions for waterfalls to thrive. Devkand's serene setting makes it a peaceful retreat for visitors seeking tranquility. Devkand Waterfall is situated within the Similipal forest area, a region known for its biodiversity and scenic beauty. The forest's dense canopy and rich flora provide a stunning backdrop for the waterfall, making it a favorite spot for nature walks and photography. The presence of multiple waterfalls in Similipal highlights the area's ecological richness. Utudi Waterfall is located in the Kandhamal district, an area known for its rolling hills and cool climate. The waterfall is a hidden gem, offering a peaceful escape for those willing to venture off the beaten path. Kandhamal's natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere make Utudi a favorite among adventure seekers. Andahati waterfall is found in the Gajapati district, a region characterized by its hilly terrain and lush forest. The waterfall's remote location adds to its charm, attracting those who love exploring untouched natural landscapes. Gajapati's unique geography makes it a perfect setting for waterfalls like Gandahati. Andahati waterfall is formed by the Mahendratanaya River, which flows through the Gajapati district. The river's journey through the hills creates a series of cascades, with Gandahati being the most prominent. The river's clear waters and the surrounding greenery make this spot a haven for wildlife and visitors alike. Hatipatha waterfall is located in the Rayagada district, a region known for its scenic beauty and tribal heritage. The waterfall's unique rock formations and powerful flow make it a standout attraction in the area. Rayagada's diverse landscape provides the perfect backdrop for natural wonders like Hatipatha. Wanriya waterfall is situated in the Nayagar district, a lesser-known region that boasts its own share of natural beauty. The waterfall is a peaceful retreat, surrounded by forests and rolling hills. Nayagar's tranquil environment makes it an ideal spot for those seeking solitude in nature. One of the unique features of Behipani waterfall is its two-tier structure. The water cascades down in two distinct steps, creating a dramatic visual effect. This multi-level drop adds to the waterfall's beauty and makes it a favorite subject for photographers and artists. Behipani waterfall stands at an impressive height of approximately 399 meters, making it not only the tallest in Odisha, but also one of the highest in India. The sheer drop and the thunderous sound of the water create an awe-inspiring experience for visitors. Andadha waterfall is the second highest in Odisha, with a height of about 244 meters. Its tall, narrow drop creates a beautiful curtain of water, especially during the monsoon season. The waterfall's impressive height and scenic surroundings make it a must-visit destination. Duduma waterfall stands at around 155 meters, making it one of the tallest waterfalls in the region. Its powerful flow and rocky surroundings create a dramatic landscape that attracts adventure seekers and photographers alike. Doranda waterfall has an approximate height of 181 meters. Its single, uninterrupted drop creates a mesmerizing sight, especially when viewed from the base. The waterfall's height and setting make it a favorite among visitors to Similipal National Park. Devkund waterfall is located within the Similipal Biosphere Reserve, an area recognized for its ecological importance. The biosphere's rich biodiversity and protected status ensure that the waterfall and its surrounding remain pristine for generations to come. Yonjha district is home to both Saneghegara and Badaghegara waterfall. These twin attractions make the district a popular destination for waterfall enthusiasts. The close proximity of the two falls allows visitors to experience both in a single trip. The Machkand hydroelectric project is located near Duduma waterfall. This project harnesses the power of the waterfall to generate electricity for the region. The combination of natural beauty and technological innovation makes this area unique. Utudi waterfall is located near the town of Falbani, making it easily accessible for visitors. The waterfall's proximity to the town allows more people to enjoy its beauty, especially during weekends and holidays. Similipal National Park, home to several waterfalls, is located in the Mayabhanj district. The park's vast area and diverse habitats make it a hotspot for wildlife and natural attraction, including the famous Behipani and Joranda waterfall. Andadha waterfall holds the title of the second highest waterfall in Odisha. Its impressive height and scenic surroundings make it a must-visit for anyone exploring the state's natural wonder. Gandahati waterfall is located near the town of Paralakhimandi, making it a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. The waterfall's easy accessibility and scenic beauty make it a favorite destination for day trips. The O River is responsible for the formation of Joranda waterfall. The river's steady flow and the region's unique topography combine to create this stunning natural feature. Orapani Nala, a small stream, forms the beautiful Kandadha waterfall. The stream's journey over rocky ledges creates a mesmerizing curtain of water, especially during the monsoon season. Kandadha waterfall is the pride of Sandaga district. Its impressive height and lush surroundings make it a top attraction for visitors to the region. Joranda waterfall is one of the many natural wonders found in Mayabhanj district. Its location within a protected area ensures that the waterfall and its surroundings remain unspoiled. The Machkand River is the lifeline of Duduma waterfall. Its powerful flow carves through the rocky terrain, creating one of Odisha's most dramatic waterfalls. Utudi waterfall is a hidden treasure in the Kandhamal district. Its secluded location and pristine surroundings make it a perfect spot for those seeking peace and solitude. Gandahati waterfall is a highlight of the Gajapati district. Its remote setting and natural beauty make it a favorite among adventure seekers and nature lovers. Hatipatha waterfall is located in the Rayagada district, adding to the region's reputation for scenic beauty. The waterfall's unique rock formations and powerful flow make it a must-see attraction. Behipani waterfall is nestled within the Similipal forest, surrounded by dense vegetation and wildlife. The forest's rich biodiversity adds to the waterfall's allure, making it a favorite among nature enthusiasts. Anaghagara Waterfall is one of the many natural attractions in Keonjhar district. Its easy accessibility and scenic surroundings make it a popular destination for family and tourists. Behipani Waterfall is famous for its two-tier structure, where water cascades down in two distinct steps. This unique feature adds to the waterfall's visual appeal and makes it a favorite among photographers. Uduma and Joranda waterfalls are both classified as plunge-type waterfall. In this type, water drops vertically, losing contact with the underlying rock, creating a dramatic and powerful effect. Plunge waterfalls are among the most visually striking, and Odisha is fortunate to have several examples. Devkund Waterfall is located near the district headquarters of Baripada, making it easily accessible for visitors. Its proximity to the town allows more people to experience its beauty, especially during weekends and holidays. Andadha Waterfall is located near the city of Rakela, making it a popular destination for residents and tourists. Its impressive height and scenic surroundings make it a top attraction in the region. Mahendratanaya River flows through the Gajapati district, nourishing the land and giving rise to waterfalls like Gandahati. The river's presence is vital for the region's ecology and agriculture. Timilipal National Park is renowned for its two iconic waterfalls, Behipani and Joranda. These natural wonders are among the park's main attractions, drawing visitors from across the country. The highest waterfall in Odisha, Behipani, is located in the Mayabhanj district. This fact highlights the district's importance as a center for natural attraction and makes it a must-visit for anyone exploring Odisha's waterfall.